Hello guys, Namaste, this is Janvi Behra and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about something that I think is really important for all of us who want to learn English as a student. We often think that learning a language requires a lot of time and effort, but I want to challenge this idea today. English is a language, not a subject, and languages are meant to be used in our daily life, not just studied in a classroom. And in this video, I'm going to talk about and I'm going to give you 5 tips and tricks that you can learn English without giving it extra time. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So, the tip number 1 is to listen to audiobook and podcast. You can do this when you are on your way to school, on your way to college, on your way to work, and when you are cleaning your home, when you are making dinner, lunch, or breakfast. You can listen to songs, audiobook, or podcast. And there are some great podcasts that I used to listen when I was learning English. And there are English We Speak and 6-Minute English. So the tip number 2 is to think in English. I know it sounds a bit weird, but hear me out. When you are thinking in English, you are practicing your English skills without even realizing it. And you can practice thinking in English just a few minutes a day and you will see the progress for sure. And the tip number 3 is to watch videos with subtitles. And in this way you are improving your reading and listening skill at the same time. And there are some great videos out there to check it out, and some channels that I'm going to recommend you guys that I used to listen myself. And the channels are English 101, English with Ima, and BBC Learning English. And the tip number 4 is to speak with native speaker. I know it sounds a bit intimidating, but in this way you can practice your English skills and learn new vocabulary. You can download some apps like Tandem and TED Talks, this language exchange apps that can help you to practice your speaking English with a native speaker. And if you don't want to do that, then you can ask your English teacher to help you out. You can talk to him like 5 minutes every single day to practice your spoken English. And the tip number 5 is, and this is the last tip, okay, so listen carefully. Make English learning a habit and set aside a few minutes every single day to practice your English skills. And I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but consistency is key when it comes to language learning. And that's all for today, guys, and I hope you find these tips helpful. And remember, language learning doesn't have to be time consuming and boring. With a little bit of creativity and consistency, you can become a confident communicator in this language. So, thank you for watching my video. We will meet in our next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, and bye.